In Genesis chapter 9, we witness a new beginning of humanity after the great flood. God blesses Noah and his sons, commanding them to be fruitful, multiply, and fill the earth. He establishes a sacred covenant with all living creatures, promising never again to destroy the earth by flood. And he sets a rainbow in the sky as a sign of this everlasting promise. God gives Noah permission to eat animals, but with a warning: life is sacred, and the shedding of blood, human or animal, must be treated with reverence. This chapter also highlights human vulnerability as we see Noah plant a vineyard, become drunk, and lie uncovered in his tent. His son Ham dishonors him, while Shem and Japheth respectively cover their father. As a result, Noah blesses Shem and Japheth, but curses Ham's son Canaan. Genesis 9 is a powerful chapter that combines divine mercy, human responsibility, and the beginning of new nations, setting the stage for the unfolding story of God's plan through generations to come.